IT administrators want to better manage and automate the software upgrade process and to ensure that the users upgrade to the exact release that IT has tested. With the Foxit Update Server, IT admins can seamlessly download, manage, and control product updates from Foxit servers without having their users download updates directly from Foxit. Let's look at some of the most popular tools included in the Foxit Update Server. The Foxit Update Server and Admin Console are products that can be used separately or together. However, both products share the same user interface. For this video, we'll be using both products so that you can see all their features in the same web-based platform. To learn more about the Admin Console, please check out the video about this product. Once you log in to the web-based portal, go to the Internal Update Configuration tab. Under the Configuration tab is where you can download the latest updates for Foxit PhantomPDF and Foxit Reader. Next, you can set up how often you want to check for updates. The following switch is significant because it determines if you want Foxit updates to be automatically or manually approved. Automatically approved means that as soon as the updates have been downloaded, users can access them. However, many IT admins may not want to have those updates available right away to their users. Instead, they want to test them out first in their test environments. For these cases, you can switch to manually approved. Now, you have the option to schedule the updates, which is very beneficial when you have a large number of users and you don't want them all to be downloading updates at the same time. Scheduled updates can be sent to users, groups, or IP addresses. You can also select the dates and times when you want your clients to make such updates by checking the box of the user or group and then choosing the Edit Update Time button. Finally, version management is where you manage all your update download packages. Here you have two categories: main packages, which are Phantom PDF and Reader releases, and add-ons or plug-in packages. The button under the action column is to approve, unapprove, or push updates to your users. When you click over the approved option, you can force clients to install the update package. This option is also called pushing an update. This means that your users will have to download and install the update package. Controlling and managing Foxit updates is now easier than ever.